Quite often, there are Word documents that you use frequently. Instead of typing the basic info over and over, it is a good idea to make a template. Here is how you can do it. First, create the document with the parts that will be repeated. Then you save the document as a Word template. The file extension for a template is dotx. The templates are stored in the default location of all your documents under the folder Personal. The location where you can find this is user/username/documents/custom office templates. The next time you create a new document and want to use the file, select New. It will take you to your templates, select Personal and you will find the template that you just created. When you open the document, the file name will be document, which means you will have to rename your document when you save the file. Is as simple as this. That's it for now.